Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series Math for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 31. Look at this children. This is 11 in number and this is 11 in word. This is 12 in number and this is 12 in word. This is 13 in number and this is 13 in word. This is 14 in number and this is 14 in word. This is 15 in number and this is 15 in word. Children, now you have to trace these numbers in words and then you have to write these numbers in these boxes, and then you have to write the numbers in words on these lines by yourself. You will write here 11 in number and 11 in word, 12 in number in this box and 12 in word on this line, 13 in number in this box and 13 in word on this line, 14 in number in this box and 14 in word on this line, 15 in number in this box and 15 in word in this line. Look at this children, this is 16 in number and this is 16 in word. This is 17 in number and this is 17 in word. This is 18 in number and this is 18 in word. This is 19 in number and this is 19 in word. This is 20 in number and this is 20 in word. Children, you have to trace these numbers in words and then you have to write these numbers in words in these boxes and on these lines. You will write 16 in number in this box and 16 in word on this line. You have to write 17 in number in this box and 17 in word on this line. You have to write 18 in number in this box and 18 in word on this line. You have to write 19 in number in this box and 19 in word on this line. You have to write 20 in number in this box and 20 in word on this line. This is our page number 31. This is page number 32, children. Look at this children, this is a concept of more and less. Look at this children, these are apples and these are more apples. And look at this children, these are apples and these are less apples. So these apples are more and these apples are less. As you can see the difference between these apples, children, these apples are more apples and these apples are less apples. Look at this picture carefully, children. More, less, more, less. Look at this, children. These are more apples in this basket. Now you have to color these apples. These are more apples in this basket, children. Now you have to color these apples. Remember, children, you have to color these more apples up to down. You will not color them left to right. Look at this, children, and now you have to draw and color less apples here on this side. You have to draw and color less apples on this space of the page. You have to color more apples, children, and then you have to draw and color less apples on this area of this page. This was our page number 32, children. These are more apples and these are less apples.